Dapper Cracker back at you, man. We out here installing T-nuts into my battery rack. It's gonna go like that. We're putting T-nuts on the bottom side, if you can see that. We about got everything dressed up. I'm trying to get it done. I'll add little speakers in the front right here, 1-inch tweets and 4.5, I think they are. I got all my cutouts for the RCA jacks and the power wires for all the amplifiers. Just a quick video. Document all of what I'm doing. I'm getting tired, people. I'm getting tired. But alrighty, see what y'all think about that. And get back to you soon. Dapper Cracker out.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be